I'm from CALIFORNIA. I'm from that California state, yeah, I'm from CA.
Well, folks, here we go. Another wonderful day at Local Life. We got our cross tour. Not quite a GoPro, but a friend of mine at work said that it was just as good. And thank you for choosing cross tour. Nice little box, 4K camera. Dun dun dun. I got this camera for $36, and it's in there. I didn't think it was really going to be in there, but it's in there. Cross tour comes inside the little case and everything already. Wow. All right, let's open this sucker up. And there it is, a tiny little camera. Wow, it's brand new. Absolutely brand new. I got it on sale at Amazon. Because I like to get a lot of things on Amazon. Let's see. Comes with the whole kit and caboodle of accessories. There's the battery. This is why I wanted to get that cheapy little one. Remote control. All kinds of little stuff in here, and it came brand new. Everything's still packaged. I'm really happy. Hey folks, so I went to PhotoCon 2018. Scored me a little video micro, tax-free, $60. That's all it was. Had it delivered to my house. So I like the price. I like the size. It's good for what we're gonna do. We're gonna shoot some videos. Off for the cross tour. Have you seen the cross tour? I bought a little cheap cross tour. We'll see how it looks once we start shooting with it. Now this little guy, what the guy was very nice to me at PhotoCon, told me that, then I see it already. Comes with the wind guard, and that's perfect. Now this is bottom of the line, folks, right? Our little operation here doesn't have enough money to buy all the Sennheiser and all that good stuff. So, we're going with Rode for now. And so far so good. I'm pretty pleased. It comes with the little fuzzy thing you put on your finger and play with it. Local Life needs a little bit of this. Yeah. And here's the microphone itself. Huh? Stick it in a little chingadera. Alright, it's got its little holder. Put this on top of your camera or wherever it is you're going to mount it. Right? GoPro or anything else. And you got your little cord. Little Rode cord. Alright. So now we're going to hook it up and see how it sounds. Have a good day, America. Local Life. Por vida.